Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best PA systems for cars and trucks that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the LampHUS SoundAlert SA75 Air Horn Speaker Kit. Most of the PA systems for cars and trucks we tested performed excellently, and it was challenging for us to determine the overall best out of the lot. But the LampHUS SoundAlert SA75 Air Horn Speaker Kit marginally stood out in different aspects, such as compactness, additional features, durability, and so on. Therefore, if you are looking for a compact, all-inclusive PA system for your car or truck, you can choose this PA system without any doubts. The LampHUS SoundAlert SA75 Air Horn Speaker Kit contains a Siren, a detachable microphone, a Siren speaker, an instruction manual and related installation accessories. In terms of installation, we did not face any major roadblocks. The instruction manual and a couple of YouTube videos helped. The kit contains different wires, brackets and connectors that may make the installation overwhelming. Nevertheless, take your time and follow the instructions step by step for a hassle-free installation experience. Even though the SASP05 speaker is small, it's pretty powerful, 100W, and delivers clear and crisp sound. Per our experience, this PA system can easily produce up to 124 decibels sound without any distortion or sound quality issues. Moreover, the speaker comes with an 8 ohm impedance and 400 to 4000 Hz frequency. Therefore, it is loud and will do exactly what you want. The overall build quality and construction of this PA system is heavy-duty and impressive. Moreover, the PA system comes with a rugged steel body and IPX6 waterproof rating. We drove for hours on a rainy day and the PA system survived with ease. Moving on, at number 4, we have the BooYu 12 volts 200W 9 tones police warning emergency siren PA system. Out of all the PA systems we tested, we found the power output of the BooYu 12 volts 200W 9 tones police warning emergency siren PA system to be the most impressive. After all, this PA system comes with a 200W siren speaker and siren power. This PA system kit comprises a mechanical siren amplifier, a siren speaker, a detachable microphone, a fuse, an instruction manual and other installation-related accessories. We did not experience any issues while setting it up. You just need to connect the right wire colors to the right components. The rectangular 180-degree siren horn speaker not only delivers exceptional sound with 200W power but can also achieve sound levels as high as 135 decibels. It also comes with an 8 ohm impedance and 400 to 4000 Hz frequency. The speaker's design ensures 180-degree sound dispersion and propagation. We did not experience any sound quality issues whatsoever. The BooYu 12 volts 200W 9 tones police warning emergency siren PA system also offers more siren tones, 9, than the LampHUS SoundAlert SA75 Air Horn Speaker Kit, 6. However, it does not comprise additional features, such as radio rebroadcast. At number 3, we have the SoundAlert 9200 EPA system. If you are specifically looking for a police car PA system, we highly recommend selecting the SoundAlert 9200 EPA system. It's also one of the most compact PA systems on our list. Even though this PA system is specially designed for police cars, you can use it with other cars and vehicles, such as trucks. After all, it comes with 18 different alarm sounds. You can simply switch between the different alarm sounds using the convert key on the remote. This PA system speaker kit comes with a siren amplifier, a speaker, a handheld controller, a screwdriver, a user manual and other installation-related accessories. Overall, the SoundAlert 9200 EPA system was simple to install and we did not experience any issues while setting it up. The manual is pretty detailed. It's almost a plug-and-play setup in terms of the speaker sound. This PA system speaker left us thoroughly impressed. The 100W power output of the speaker along with up to 122 decibels sound levels result in clear and loud sound. At number 2, we have the SMALLFATW wireless police siren PA system. Yes, we finally have a wireless PA system option for you. The SMALLFATW wireless police siren comes with a wireless remote which also doubles up as a microphone. The remote provides an impeccable functioning range of 10 meters and can be easily charged using the USB port. This PA system comes with a speaker, a control unit, a wireless remote, and other installation-related accessories. The overall sound clarity and quality of this PA system speaker is pretty good. The speaker delivers 100W output and can achieve sound levels as high as 130 decibels. Therefore, the sirens and horns sounded pretty loud and crisp. We did not experience any distortion, lag or other sound quality issues when using the sirens and horns. However, we noticed a slight dip in sound level when using the PA functionality. Perhaps, it could be an issue related to the wireless microphone. This PA system beats all the other PA systems for cars and trucks on our list when it comes to the number of alarm sounds. The SMALLFATW wireless police siren PA system comes with 20 different alarm sounds. And finally at number 1, we have the YHAAVALE car police siren horn 5-tone sounds vehicle horn with mic PA system. If you are on a shoestring budget and looking for a simple PA system, the YHAAVALE car police siren horn 5-tone sounds vehicle horn with mic PA system can be a great pick. With a power output of 100W, this PA system delivered crisp, clear, and loud sound. Therefore, it is suitable for all emergency situations. However, the maximum sound level supported by this PA system speaker is 115 decibels, which is lesser compared to the other PA systems on our LSIT. This YHAAVALE PA system also comes with 5 different alarm sounds that can be changed using the buttons on the amplifier control. In terms of installation, we barely invested 8 to 10 minutes in setting up this PA system. Yes, the installation is that simple and straightforward. Now coming to the durability of this speaker system, we did not spot any red flags here. The PA system is made from high-quality materials. The speaker is IPX6 rated. Therefore, it is splash-proof. Please note that the amplifier and wired remote are not waterproof. Thanks for watching and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.